Hello friends and welcome to my kitchen. Something students will enjoy because it's easy to make. Our budget will be $10. On the menu, patty melts. For once, this is a non-French recipe, which was invented in California in the 1940s. For all the non-English speakers out there, it kind of resembles a grilled cheese with meat. The main ingredient will of course be ground beef. AAA Angus beef, 200 grams, $3. The other ingredients, for one sandwich, another $3. So that's $6 so far. Out of the 10, we've got $4 left. Here it is. Because it costs $6, we'll only use half of it. Therefore, 3 times 3 is 9. I'll be left with $1. First step, the spread. Add in 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of Harrissa, which can now go back in the fridge. With the help of our miracle device, mix it all up. Add in some vegetable oil. This is canola oil. The consistency is spread-like. Tap it to remove the excess. Taste it, impeccable. Put the spread in the fridge. Let's move on to the assembly. Onions, like this. Put the onion on the table. Bring the bowl forward. Use a red knife, of course, and slice. Bring the slices together and cut in 2. Place them in the bowl. Same goes for the second half. Bring them together and place them in the bowl. We're done with the knife. Let's move on to the meat. Meat, like this. Small non-slip cutting board on the counter. Place the meat here. With the help of an angled spatula, press it down so that it's not too thick, in the same shape as your bread. Make it even. Check it. Press it down a little more. Make it even, and check it one last time. Impeccable. For those who don't have an angled spatula, you can use your fingers. Put the spatula in the sink. We can now start cooking it. Heat on high. Let's wait for it to reach 150 on this side. I'm at 150 degrees. Yellow spoon, of course. Add in some butter here and put the butter back in the fridge. Get the butter to evenly coat the pan. Add in the onions. Put the bowl in the sink. Spread them out evenly. Let them caramelize. Do a tourne et retourne. You can cook the steak. The angled spatula is back. It's squeaky clean. Place the meat in it, like this. Don't forget about the onions. And do a tourne et retourne. Unstick it from the pan. I didn't add any oil because my pans are non-stick. Add some salt. Flip the steak. Add some more salt. That's enough. If some of you prefer rare meat, this will be medium. In French, the term for medium is à point. 5 minutes later, the onions have caramelized. Do a tourne et retourne. Turn the meat. And now, get ready for some action. Heat off and heat off. We can now put it all together. Put the steaks like this, the plate here, and the bread here. Take the spread out of the fridge and reactivate it. Spread some on like this evenly. Add the cheese, one like this, and another like that. Add the steak on top. Do one last tourne et retourne of the onions. Add some onions. And now we can add a thin slice of aged cheddar, like this. We're going to add the slice of bread, this way. Add some spread, roughly like this. Place the bread on like this, and press down. The angled spatula is back from the sink and squeaky clean. Evenly spread some butter on top. Spread it on like this, here and there. And we're done. We're going to swap pans. The small one on high heat. It's now at 50 degrees. Add in the sandwich like this. The buttered side down so it can brown lightly. Add some more butter on, here and there. This is what grilled cheese is all about. Butter the outside. Add some more here, evenly. Impeccable. Let it brown like this without checking it. The bottom should be getting a nice tan. Turn it. Indeed, it's impeccable. Let the other side brown the same way. So about 20 to 30 seconds. You can easily wing this part of the cooking, almost like tarte tatin. 20 seconds later, turn the heat off. And take the sandwich out, like this. Check it to be sure. Indeed, it's impeccable. Take the bread knife and go for it. The bread knife can now lie back down. Put the sandwich on the plate like this. There won't be any sides because our budget is too tight. The French students in Montreal want to taste. Impeccable. I've got $1 left in my account. Actually, instead of sides, we still have some cognac to forget about student debts. Maître d'hôtel, this is for the students of table 55. See ya. Bye.